Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Wednesday. Today we are completing a Retell activity. You will find this in your work pack, and there are 4 different Retell activities to complete. What you need to do is read the text and draw or write what happened first and then next. First, let's read the text so we can work out the order. Sally fed the dog and brushed the dog's fur. So first, Sally fed the dog. So that would go in the first box. So I have written Sally fed the dog first, and I have drawn a picture of a dog with its dog bowl and some food. Next, Sally brushed the dog's fur. So that would go in this box where it says next. So in the next box, I have written Sally brushed the dog's fur, and I have drawn a dog brush. It's now your turn to complete the whole activity, remembering that there are 4 Retell activities to complete in total. The first thing that you will need to do is read the sentence and then work out the order